Hi everyone, good evening Sir Arbolida. I'm Erica Asis. In this video, I'll be talking about how educational philosophy of behaviorism can be applied in an inclusive classroom. Behaviorism focuses on observable behavior and how positive reinforcement can shape students' learning and behavior. Short explanation of behaviorism. Behaviorism was developed by psychologists like B.F. Skinner and John Watson. It emphasized that learning happens through interaction with the environment and reinforcement. When students are rewarded for good behavior or correct answers, they are more likely to repeat those actions. In an inclusive classroom, where students have different learning needs, I can use positive reinforcement like a token system. For example, students earn stars or points for completing tasks, cooperating, or staying focused. Once they collect a certain number, they get small privileges such as choosing an activity or being a classroom helper. This approach motivates all learners, especially those who struggle with attention or behavior challenge, to participate actively. Behaviorism promotes inclusion because it focuses on what students can do rather than their limitation. By using rewards and consistent feedback, every student, regardless of ability, feels recognized for their effort. It creates a positive, supportive classroom environment where all learners can succeed. Behaviorism helps build an inclusive classroom by encouraging positive behavior and participation through reinforcement. And I'm Erica Asis. Thank you for watching.